Hey friends, this is a little impromptu video. I didn't plan on filming this one, but we're gonna do a little half mini unboxing while I'm struggling to do this. So I got a whole bunch of stuff a few weeks back, and one of them is this nice little Vivitar Creator Series 12-inch dual-sided full ring light, which I'm super excited to see. You guys will be watching this before I'll be using this also in a couple streams in the future or in the past. I don't know when I'm posting this video, but yeah, exciting. Actually, I think I'm going to use it today, so you guys will see the first video with that. I'm trying to see if, because there was nothing that came in this box, and like I don't know how it works. So we've got the ring light itself, looks like a wheel, and this particular one comes with it on the cord itself, so like an up, down, on, off in the RGB, and then a mode button. And so I don't know if it just does not come with proper instructions, because like all I have is this little thingy, and it's not the directions. So yeah, so I managed to get this together. These two parts were separate, and you just screwed this part. So that one's the little bottom. And then what I was struggling with is, at least from all the videos I've seen, which I wish somebody had done this. Maybe I'll be the first one to do this. All the videos I've seen so far already have these two pieces together, or whenever I look at the unboxing, if it's like a different model, they already unbox it and it's already attached. So I don't know why this one's different. I had an extreme amount of hard time trying to get this on. I'm like really scared I'm gonna break it. Okay, I managed to get it on. God, that looks like it's gonna fall off. But yeah, okay, I got it on. This won't be the only thing that I'm showing you guys today. I did get a couple of other things. So then it's gonna want to screw right into here, and I'll show you guys on my phone what that's gonna look like afterwards. Look how cool that is. So then we gotta grab the bottom. The bottom screws in as well. This isn't bad for like, how much should I even pay for this? I want to say it's like a $25 thing. I think I paid $19. It's not overall bad, and it's a little wiggly because the thing's loose. So we gotta tighten it up. Yeah, we don't want to tighten it up like that. We want to make sure it's straight. The only thing I don't really care too much for is the way the legs are. It'd be nice if this had more of a support. So now we're gonna put my phone on it and figure out how this is supposed to work, because I'm not 100% sure where this is supposed to attach. Like, it doesn't say. Yeah. I might just have to get an adapter of some sort. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, I've managed to plug it in. We have magicked this beautiful creation. So now we have to just guesstimate how this thing works. Where did I Okay. Well, it's already... Oof. Okay, so this is how bright it is if you just normally power it on. And then... Oh, okay, so the up and down, it's like making a high-pitched whine noise. So the up and down helps with the thing. Ooh, oh my god, that's actually cool. If you want soft light. Oh, I like that one a lot. That was cool. Here, I'm gonna turn off my light just to show you guys how bright this is. That one's like more of all the lighter colors. Rave. That's pretty cool. That was just a nice red light. Green. Ooh, I like that blue. It's a nice purple. You got, it's not showing up on chat as purple, but it is purple. Blue. Ooh, that one's a cool one. Ooh. Yeah, that's actually pretty neat. Okay, so that is this. I may or may not use this today. I don't know. This thing's kind of making me mad that it's not staying still. It might be my phone's just really heavy. Okay, anyhow. Next thing that I got is this Bauer HD microphone kit. It's a smartphone mount. So you can use, it's pretty much just like a microphone, and it has a tripod head. It pretty much, you use it to enhance your sound. So if you're like streaming, it helps. And it can also, if you don't want to use it for your smartphone, it can be used with a DSLR camera. And this is what comes with it. This is the microphone. And then this is the mount. Pretty decent. This, the only bad thing is if you get this for a smartphone, you're gonna have to buy this thingy as well. It's a adapter to adapt the nipple to a lightning. But it works just like...
Sorry, I don't understand.
Nobody was talking to you, Siri. You're being bad. Yeah. So it goes... Ooh, the thing fell off. Yeah. So it slides on like that. And then it's attached. So then all you have to do is plug it right in there. And then you can use it. Isn't that pretty cool? I think with the way that this threading is, I could probably attach this to the next thing that I'm going to show you guys. Potentially. Because because I didn't open it, so I don't know exactly how that other one opens, but potentially it should work. Ow, 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 ow. Oof. I pinched my hand in this dang thing. Okay. Try not to make this video drag on, because I don't want to make you guys watch a really long video. Okay. And if you guys wanted to know, this one's the particular adapter that I got. It's just a lightning to headphone jack adapter from Apple, but I bought it at Walmart. Man, that really hurt. Okay, and the second and the last thing is this. It's a Vivitar, also the same brand as the other one. It's a selfie stick tripod. I might be able to use it like that. I might be able to use it, but it's really cool. And the lights on it are rechargeable, which is another really cool thing. I'm definitely going to be using these for our streams for coming November, so watch out for those ones as well. This would be a good time to subscribe to me, because I'll be doing at least one stream on YouTube itself, and then at my Twitch that I'm going to put right here, I'm going to be having a lot more longer stream, and then later that one also, my cat's out here, longer stream on there, as it's my main platform. This is mainly where I put my vlogs and other things that I pre-record. So we've got actual directions, and then it has a 1-year warranty. Oh, apparently it has a remote. Is this the remote? Okay, doesn't feel like there's anything left in that. Okay, so this is pretty nice, not gonna lie. This is one of the besides the microphone, I also had to get this out of the dang locked cabinet of the Walmart. This looks like it's supposed to open. Let us figure this out. Okay, I'm not seeing. Oh, okay, so that's what that is. But like, okay. Ooh, I almost dropped it. Okay, so this is the remote. It can come in and out, apparently, which is really cool. I'll have to charge it because we can't. Unfortunately, it wasn't charged yet, obviously, because I just unboxed it. So these pop out and just does the normal stretching. But how? I want to know how this opens. Okay, so I figured out how the arms itself does, but like, why is this like an umbrella? This is very difficult. Okay. Okay, but how do I make it into selfie stick form? Push the legs together, then extend the stem to height of your preference. Oh, okay. This thing is pretty long. This thing keeps wiggling around, so I'm gonna tighten it. So, you can see how long my arm is. And it's like past my arm, at least another foot. And then, since you can take this thingy off, you could be like, take a picture. Which I'll probably end up just like streaming like this. This thing is long. And then I'll need to figure out how to charge it. This is not that bad. I like it. And then it comes with a little two? Maybe we got an extra in case if we lose one. Yeah, that's really cool. So you're gonna wanna take this, and there's a little charging port. So you're gonna wanna charge just this. And then somehow it's supposed to also power everything else. Somehow. Oh. Okay. That's how you turn it on. You can turn on the lights like that. But how do you charge the lights?